Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Azwar Tech. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to stabilize your shaky video. And there's like so many videos in the YouTube, and in this video tutorial, I'll try to explain it as simple as possible. What happens, like sometimes when we do that video and later on we realize you like how like shaking a hand, or you are like shaking a hand a lot, and that ruin the video quality, and also you gotta get a like bad impression about your video. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to overcome this situation if that happened to you. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I'm gonna open up my app named CapCut. I'll put the name in the description box. You can download it from Play Store. It's absolutely free. So I'm just gonna open up my app right now. And I'll choose like a video. Just gonna hit an ad. And let me just play that video, see how it looks like. So I'm just gonna show you how to fix that, okay? Tap on edit, and then you just scroll to the left, and you'll see a stabilizer button. See, it says stabilize. Simply tap on that. And make sure you slide it all the way to the right, which is the most stable, okay? And then tap on that check mark. See, it's stabilizing right now. So it depends on your phone. So it could take a little longer, or it can go like pretty fast, so it depends on your phone processor. So I guess you just have to wait. It is done. It's almost done, looks like. Just bear with me, be patient. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like this video as well. And check out my other videos, and those are like informative videos and will be helpful for you. So it's all done. So I'm just gonna play it now, and you can see the difference, okay? As you can see on the video, there is no shaking, and this is how you fix it if that happens to you. Until next time, stay fit, and thanks for watching.
Please subscribe and hit the like button. Please, please, please.